Hey, I'm Paulo, application engineer for Outline, and I'm here in Lagos to help Sam from Cytech to set up the system for the Experience Lagos.
Okay, how does your setup look like, and what equipments are you using?
So, okay, we are using an entire Outline system, starting from the very big GTO to C12 and the butterfly speakers. Most of the amplifier are the new GTA Otto amplifier, and all the system is driven by 2 different newtons. So that is a complex matrix in order to manage the whole system. That is composed from it is composed by main hang, side hang, extra side, and 6 different delay towers. We have also flown subs, ground subs, and some front field for the very first rows. That's it.
So shout out to the experience.
What, sorry?
A shout out to the experience.
I am ready for the experience. It's my first time, but I'm ready.
Wow, awesome. Glad to meet you. All right.
Thank you.
Yeah, we have a total of 12 wireless mics for the backup singers. We have 2 wireless mics for the compass as the MC, and then 2 mics for pastors. That's a total of 16 microphones together.